Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, creamy eggnog cheesecake. Our cheesecake batter is finally done and we're ready to put it into the pan. Now you should have had your springform pan cooling after taking it out of the oven. That was 325 for 10 minutes. We're going to take the bowl off of here very carefully. Oh, we still have the blade in there. You want to be careful when removing the blade because you don't want it to go through the center. Depending on how high the center of your food processor goes, it might overflow it. So be very careful when removing. And you want to gently scrape this in. You'll notice that the cheesecake pan has a nice high sides. Don't try and make this into a regular cake pan or in a pie pan because the sides will not be high enough to hold all of your cheesecake. So we're just going to finish scraping that in, and because it's nice and liquidy, you're going to have a nice smooth surface so you don't have to worry about smoothing it out, and we're ready for our next step.